Hi, my name is Stacey. Um, I'm a professional studies major, university studies major, and I'm majoring in organizational leadership with a minor in CIT, which is why I'm here in this class. I live in Cardston, Alberta, Canada. Um, as far as what time I want to meet, every night's busy with kids in school and life, and so we'll do our best to be there whatever time is decided. Um, my experience with web design. I took this class last year in fall 2018. 2 or 3 weeks before the end of the semester, I got pneumonia and did not finish my final project. So here I am again. Um, my expectations for this class. I look forward to passing this class at the end of the semester. Um, I'm kind of excited. My coworker Braden is in this class, and he and I are looking forward to helping each other and working together on our lunch hour and surviving CIT 230 with everybody else.